Thanks a lot. Okay. So I just wanted to start off by thanking the center for inviting us to inviting Access Agriculture. So on behalf of the Access Agriculture, I'd like to thank and convey our deep appreciation. And we are very, very happy to be part of this. We're really honored. But before sharing our experience, I'd like to briefly introduce Access Agriculture. So let me just see how to do the screen. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Yeah. I got it. Yeah. So before sharing our experience, as I said, I'd like to introduce Access Agriculture. I'll go briefly, very quickly about it. It was founded in 2012 as an outcome of research. It was commissioned by SDC, the research, the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation, and GFRAS, so the Global Forum on Rural Advisory Services. So the research revealed real demand for a knowledge. It should not. Okay. Yeah. Demand for a knowledge broker for quality audiovisual learning materials to help rural communities because that was lacking at that time. And it is still lacking. It's a big, big challenge so that they can cope with the major challenges that they face, especially climate change effects. And also because many of them stay in remote regions. So there, especially the women and youth and students have little access to electricity, internet, or educational resources. So Access Agriculture, we focus on adult learning compared to whatever the others are doing. So it will be a different organization for you all to understand. But we ensure improved knowledge access and digital inclusiveness. But we are also increasingly facilitating agroecological learning through videos in schools, colleges, and TVETs. And our main focus is to empower these underserved communities. So we enable the co-creation, which I understand your Natalia said it is a very important concept, and sharing of agroecological knowledge through quality learning videos in local languages. So that's where we come from, the niche that we created using digital tools and innovative scaling models. So we have now a platform, video platform that hosts over 300 very well-researched quality farmer training videos across 110 languages. So that makes a total of over 6,000 videos on our platform. And all these videos are in support of organic farming. We are completely into organic farming and agroecology. And the videos combine scientific knowledge with traditional wisdom, farmers' wisdom, local wisdom. So Access Agriculture has recently launched also an AI-powered search, multilingual search tool. So that makes the wealth of its knowledge resources more accessible to users. So they don't need to know specific jargon, technical jargons. They can use conversational language and find what they're looking for. It works, so we work with over 100 partner organizations to ensure the video production, translation, and outreach are relevant and effective. So we really see that these are completely relevant to the local conditions. We have also developed a last mile delivery. So one is the platform, then how to ensure that these videos move into, the farmers level, to the farmers, to our end users, beneficiaries. So we developed a strategy through rural youth who are called entrepreneurs for rural access, or ERAs in short. So these ERAs use a solar powered smart projector. So this smart projector contains all our videos in every language, and it keeps on they can get updated as and when the new videos come up. So these eras, they use this They carry it. It's a portable one. You can see it in the photos, very small one. And so they take it to the villages, to remote places, because this is solar powered. So they can show it in any place where they have electricity or connectivity challenges. And for non-facilitated learning, we also have made available a mobile app because farmers work in the field, so they can easily use a mobile app at their convenience. That's particularly useful for rural communities, especially in many developing countries where we have high data costs or poor connectivity. So the app is very useful there. This is our theory of change, and it's very simple. It demonstrates a strategic approach, whatever I have told you now, a strategic approach to bridging the gap faced by smallholder farmers and rural youth in the global south. We provide a holistic solution. We empower local partners to create very context-specific agroecological videos. We deliver the content through solar-powered tools and apps through these entrepreneurs and support youth as change makers via entrepreneurship programs. So research has shown, so we commission a lot of publications and researchers, our PhD students. They show that there has been a lot of positive impact of this video mediated model. So these are the achievements. I won't go on everything, but just to point out that 5,000 organizations have made use of our quality videos. Over 200 schools, as I said, now we are moving into schools and colleges. So over 200 schools have been facilitated in 9 countries to use the videos in their curriculum. Also, schools, we are also training them in school gardens, health and nutrition gardens. And over 90 million people have been sensitized to change behavior through mass media. And also 300 young change makers in 20 countries, they have been coached to screen videos, so reaching over 200,000 rural people. So this has been a big, big success through the young change makers. And this is a bit about the impact, as I have mentioned. We have got research publications authored or commissioned by Access Agriculture, including peer-reviewed journal articles that demonstrate impact and effectiveness of our video-mediated approach on these various dimensions that you can see. It goes beyond yield and adoption and reduction to women empowerment, additional income, engagement in women, engaging in village savings and loan associations. So in many different aspects, the impact has been felt. So this is where we felt that it's becoming, very important for organizations like us who are employing digital technologies to gain certification, to gain credibility. So we decided to build a strategic research collaboration with ICEI to rigorously evaluate the impact of Access Agriculture's digital education approach. So this consisted of in three stages. So in stage one, we provided all possible evidence to the International Center, researchers who assessed and summarized it. So researchers like you who have been, leading this. In stage two, the researchers used the evidence and terms of reference as basis to strengthen our theory of change and develop a logic model. So this was done. And in stage three, the center identified gaps in evidence, formulated research questions, and proposed evaluation methods. So we provided feedback at every stage, and we are very happy with the whole process because it went so smoothly, real smooth, and there were clear milestones and specific meetings, called for to discuss the report at each stage. And once a stage report was concluded, then the researchers moved on to the next stage. So it was very, very clean and smooth. And in 3 months, the entire process was concluded. And we are very happy to say today that the report served as a basis for EduEvidence validators to assess and confer on us bronze and silver certifications, which we recently received for efficacy and effectiveness, respectively. And for the environmental category, a separate list of questions were given to us, which we answered. And this led to gold certification. So we have got news releases on both of them, and I have given the links on both. So we are very happy that if this gave us tremendous, credibility, so that our potential research and development partners and our donor agencies, they will have a lot of trust in the products and services that we have. Thank you so much for this. And this is my contact. Thank you.